Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today 11 of my 30-day journaling daily challenge. So on this challenge I am journaling for 50 minutes each day instead of scrolling and collecting my memories instead of losing them on my phone. So today's memory is a very special one because I am going to be documenting my sweet little Bradley. So my sweet boy crossed the rainbow bridge couple weeks ago, and it's still a very painful process, and it was actually very emotional doing this page. I was actually tearing through the process, and when I did the journaling it just destroyed me, but I still wanted to have a very special page for him on my journal. And so sometimes our memories are not always happy ones, and life is rough and life is beautiful, but we do have to appreciate everything that comes our way. And sometimes the price for loving so much is what we're feeling right now, which is a little bit of grief and definitely changes. Our little boy was with us for almost 14 years, so another child for me. And as I have three girls, I always say he's my only son. And so we are going to miss him so much. So I am using this collection called Dreamland by Ciao Vela that I just had on my stash. I thought it was beautiful because it had all these magical sweet animals that have angel wings, and they're like just kind of like sleeping on the moon. And I imagine my sweet boy just kind of having this beautiful long dream now and having the best time in doggy heaven. And yeah, I know I had to really put myself together to do this voiceover because I was really sad, so I took a little bit of a break from finishing the page. But yeah, a very sweet special process for this day. I am just going to be ripping paper, inking, gluing, and nothing really different, so it's gonna be a very relaxing page. So I hope you guys enjoy the process.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You're nervous. You say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave, and if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here. We'll fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going, I'm going to death. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You're nervous. You say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave, and if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here. We'll fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the